Hey guys, welcome back to Paul's Home Garage. It's August the 14th, Friday, 2020. It's a 10-year project finally coming together. Finally going to try to start the motor today. My brother's here from Rochester, New York. Hey Dave, how you doing?
Doing good, how are you?
Good. He's helped me quite a bit on the painting of the car. You saw those videos. Now he's here for another MG Fest 2020 with the COVID and everything. So
don't forget to wear your mask.
Oh yeah, social distance. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and start it up today. Quick rundown. 1, 2, 3 ignition. Bluetooth. Bosch Blue distributor. Temporary red vacuum hose. I'm gonna get rid of that. I didn't have a black piece, so I just ran red. Carbs are all set and ready to go. Everything should be good. I have a little breather here for the front timing cover, the front timing chain cover. That's about it. Everything's, as far as I know, ready to go. So I'm going to put this on a, just so you know, startup testing is in progress. I'm going to put this on a tripod, and my brother's going to go in and start it and hope for the best. Make sure it's in neutral. Neutral check, all right.
All right, ignition. I heard the fuel pump.
Fuel pump is on.
Choke's on.
Everything looks okay.
All right, I'm gonna crank.
Go ahead.
That was pretty easy. Wow, holy crap. 3,000 RPM. That's 3,000. That got me right. I say 1,900. 60 PSI. Oh yeah, the pack is wonky. The pack is bad, okay. Alright, I think that's just a little... Sounds okay. My God. Holy cow. I've timed down the choke. Choke is almost... Alright, I see 1,300 RPM. What do you see? 6,000. Okay, that's not right. Alright. Alright, yeah, you know what? There might be noise interfering with that. Alright. Choke is completely off. Alright, so go ahead and take it up. I see 1,500 RPM. Go ahead and take it up to... Man, it's responsive. Is it? Yeah. Okay, there's almost 2,000. So start the timer. We gotta go to about 2,500 RPM. That's it right about. There's 2,200. There's 2,200, 2,300. Alright, anywhere there for 20 minutes. Alright. Water temperature is starting to come up. Is it? Yep. Okay. Fuel tank is full. Yeah. According to this, I don't know. I'm seeing like 34 degrees. That's not right, so... I mean, it sounds good. Maybe it's just too advanced, I don't know. That's 2,500 RPM. That thing cranked over like 1.5 revolutions and it lit. Yeah. Sweet. Alright. Everything looks okay. I'm going to start checking stuff out. The wire, the tack wire, okay, might be,
just opened.
Yep.
60 on the oil?
60.
Yeah, the tack is whacked. Yeah.
Yep, and the water temperature just went up a little bit above it, and then it dropped right back down.
All right. All right. Woohoo! Pretty exciting. All right, I'm gonna turn this off. We gotta run it for 20 minutes, so good job. That was pretty easy. Woohoo!